May potensyal ang mga ordinaryong karanasan natin maging sanhi ng tunay na pagbabago. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. I recently had coffee with some teachers, and what started as a casual chat turned into a heartfelt discussion about life's challenges. We discovered shared experiences that deepen our understanding of one another, reminding us that extraordinary moments can arise from everyday interactions. Nagbibigay ito ng inspirasyon upang manatiling bukas sa mga bagong karanasan, sapagkat nagiging pagkakataon ng paglago ang mga ordinaryong sitwasyon sa ating buhay. Now, like Saint Peter, who found insight in a miraculous catch of fish, by trusting Jesus, we too can uncover profound lessons in unexpected places. Peter's humility invites us to reflect on our own lives and acknowledge our limitations. Our boundaries often urge us to explore beyond our grasp. So next time you're in a familiar situation, engage with those around you. You might spark significant change. Manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, tulungan mo kaming yakapin ang potensyal naming magbago para sa ikabubuti ng lahat at sa pagkakataong maging mas malapit kami sa iyong piling. Amen.